Subtraction, whole number minus a fraction. For example, 1 minus 3/4. What will be the answer? We have a representation here. 1 whole piece minus 3 parts out of 4 is equal to 1 part out of 4. Because 3/4 can be read also as 3 out of 4. That means the denominator represents the total number of the whole piece. So the whole piece will be a complete piece, which is 4 out of 4. So 1 whole piece is equal to 4 out of 4 minus 3 parts out of 4. The answer is 4 minus 3, 1, same denominator, 4. So 4/4 minus 3/4 is equal to 1/4. We can use this to solve a bigger number. For example, 1 minus 13 over 15, or 13 out of 15. So the 1 whole piece will be 15 out of 15, that is equal to 1, minus 13 over 15. The answer will be 15 minus 13, 2 over 15. And that's the answer.